All right, here we go. Here we go, everybody. Good afternoon. It's Adetola here, and this is the live Forex stream for NFP for today. All right, you guys already know how we do it. We're going to be going over the commodity markets. All right, talking EU, GU, USD, JPY, and gold. All right, and then we're going to be talking about certain expectations that I have about what the outcome of today's NFP is going to look like. All right, so John Alaba, I'm saying hello to you. Paducah, hello. The Lunatics, good day to you. Rodney's of Svanaka, yeah, Rodney's Svanaka, I'm saying hi. Eunice Dubé, the Maverick. Justice Brown, I'm saying Vusi, I'm saying Wendo, I'm saying Umar. All right, I'm saying hello to all of you. All right, it's amazing, amazing, amazing having you guys here. As usual, guys, don't stop clicking on the like button. All right, you can share this stream with as many of your friends as you can. All right, so that we can have all the amazing fun in the house. Yes, Eunice, I'm saying hello to you. Andika Peter, I'm saying hello to Sime Kenneth. The Bride, big man, it's good to see you again. Nandom, I'm saying good afternoon. Michael, Ndubisi, Juan, all right, it's good to see you guys. I think the last time we had a session like this was for the CPI. Yeah, it was for the CPI in the month of June, all right. So as usual, this is NFP for the month of July. And I know that a lot of people will be confused about the time frame, all right, because a lot of people expect NFP to usually be the first Friday in the month, all right, but NFP is coming on a Thursday this month because tomorrow, which is the 4th of July, is the Independence Day in the United States of America, all right, so that's why we're having NFP today, because tomorrow there's going to be bank holiday in the US, so USD pairs might not do, a lot. Edwin, yes, we'll do gold. Rahajo, hello to you too. Zan, I'm saying hi to you. Ali from Uzbekistan, I'm saying hello to you. Ibe Peter, good afternoon. How are you today? All right, so by now you guys already know my my concept when it comes to trading NFP and CPI. All right, this is typical. You guys already know how I do it. We trade using the we trade using the straddle strategy. All right, we trade using the straddle trading strategy, which is literally us putting pending orders on both sides of the market. We search out for a consolidation, all right, and then we place pending orders on either side of that, that consolidation range, all right. And the aim or the reason why we do that is because we know that if the NFP is really going to move, all right, it's definitely going to give a breakout. All right, it's definitely going to give a breakout. Joan Antonio, I'm sorry, we will not be doing AUD USD. Yes, Tali, yes, today's NFP. I'm glad that you caught on that. Okay, Chuku, good afternoon, my friend. Roger Zambe from Kenya. It's good to see you. Again, a Friday from Edo State. I greet you. Wado. Oh no, that's Delta, not Edo. I'm sorry, I can't remember how you guys greet in Edo. But I know that it's pretty close to the Delta gradient. MBS, hello from DRC Congo. Yeah, hello to you too from Nigeria. Arknet TV, of course, we're going to do gold. Andia Adnan, Andrew from Uganda. Yeah, good to see you. You're welcome. Amen, amen, amen. Ndubuisi, GBP USD, of course, we'll do that. Sunday to Chuku Chijoke, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon to you too, sir. All right, guys, so we're just going to go right into it. This is Euro USD, at least my chart on Euro USD. And looking at this chart, this looks like the most recent consolidation Sometimes you want to confirm using the line chart. I'm coming. Let me quickly pay attention to that. Line chart. Let's do that. All right. You know, sometimes you just do this. You check what the line charts are saying, but most times just this is enough. All right. So we have our consolidation range. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, KO, we're gonna do gold. All I want joy from Erua. Beautiful. I know Erua. Anthony from Kenya, good to see you. Osei. All right, we'll do gold. Andy Adnan, I'm sorry, we don't do US oil. It's on the Monday session. All right, the Monday sessions we have on Telegram. All right, that's the session where you guys can make requests and then I'll do the live analysis and then we'll run with it. All right, on this session, what I do purely is we pick 4 commodities, all right, and then we place pending orders on those 4 commodities and we literally trade them live with entries, stop loss, and all the likes. All right, we literally do that live. Do you get me? All right, so please, I need you guys to get the likes up to like maybe 100. All right, get the likes up to 100 and then we're good. Ahmed Ismail, I should make an estimation about what side it will go. For me, to be honest, I think that the dollar is going to make a slight recovery. All right, it's going to make a slight recovery. It might not last too long, but I think it's going to make a bit of a recovery and then these commodities go bearish for a little while and then we're back. Your phone has no audio. I'm sorry, that is definitely not from here. Oladiran from Ibadan, yeah, amazing. Max Valley from Zambia, good to see you. Tochuku, like I said, it's on the Monday sessions on Telegram that we do analysis requests, all right? That's the session where you can come and say, I have this particular issue, what do I do, what's going on, how do I go about this, all right? Unfortunately, on this one, we only do EU, GU, USD, JPY, and gold. All right, yeah. EU, GU, USD, JPY, and gold. Those are the 4 commodities we're going to be focusing on today. Smart from Calabar, say hi. Neo Prince, I typically use the 1 hour all the time. All the time I use the 1 hour. Let me see. Maverick is just the rectangle shape. There's a rectangle shape on MetaTrader. This is it right here. Timmy from Akure, good to see you. Chimeze, gold. Of course, we'll do gold. Just be patient, guys. So like I said, guys, let's get the likes up to like 100. It's currently around 50. All right, it's currently around 50. So let's just get it up there. So for me, I think this is Euro USD. Okay, that should work. And then we can do this. This, maybe this. All right, so remember, guys, we're using the straddle trading strategy, which means we're placing buy stops and sell stop orders, all right, on the 2 ends of the consolidation. Pandora, no, we're going to get there. I'm just starting. Olushola Folamade, good afternoon, my friend. Abubakar Ashzen, hi. Oh, the Maverick, no, I'm on MetaTrader. If it's on TradingView, you can easily draw it with any tool. The rectangle tool, you can use the equidistant channel tool, whatever it is that works best for you. Omoboye Femi, yeah, Femi from Badagry, good to see you. So that's the zone, all right? Remember, guys, we trade straddle, all right? We trade straddle, and what does that mean? Straddle simply means that we're placing pending orders on the two sides of the market. I'm going to give you the figures for the pending orders. Just hold on. And this here is GBP USD. That's an interesting one. Let me hold that for now. Gold. Consolidation. I think we can work with this. Where's the JP1? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think we can work with this. Yeah, I think we can work with that. GU. Oh, okay, I think we can see what it is for GU. Provided we're able to get some good volatility on the news, all right, price should do some amazing number. Now, also understand that you are not only placing the pending orders, all right, you're also expected to apply trailing stop to those orders, all right. You are expected to apply what? Trailing stops to those orders, all right. So it's not enough that you just place the pending orders and put your stop loss. You must also use trailing stops. And the reason why is because trailing stops protect your money, all right, in the event that there is a whipsaw movement, all right. In the event that price makes a whipsaw movement, the trailing stop is going to protect your account, all right. It's going to lock your trade in a way that as long as price continues going in one particular direction, you are safe. Joseph, hello, rise up. Black Monster, good day to you. Oscar Obina, you want me to focus on gold. Why? That's not a request you can make on this platform or anywhere for that matter. You can't tell me what to focus on. You're not a market maker. I will focus on whatever I feel like gives me the best opportunity. Kenton, you want me to put on my hat? Hold on. Eric, don't worry, we've done gold. You guys need to now listen and follow my instructions at this point, okay? For those of you who are trading from your mobile phones, all right, the way out of that is you would have to manually be the ones to put a break even. So once price activates your order, you put a break even at the entry on or at the entry price of that order. All right, if you're trading on phone, that is the best I can do for you. Okay, I'm going to give you the instructions to follow, and I need you to follow those instructions to the letter. All right. So, Kenton, are you satisfied now? All right, Josiah, trailing stop is a type of stop loss that follows the movement of price. All right, so typically what a trailing stop does is that as price begins to move in a direction, all right, as price begins to move in a direction, your stop loss follows that movement. All right, and you are the one that determines how closely or how far away it follows the movement. All right, you could follow it probably 20 pips, 10 pips, 50 pips, whatever. All right, but the choice is completely yours. You decide that. All right, so guys, this is what we're going to be doing. I'm just going to call out the figures, all right, for your buy stop and sell stop orders, all right, and then we will wait it out, all right. We'll just wait it out for price to do its thing. All right, so that's your buy stop and your sell stop, okay? So we'll do the same thing for GU. $1.36940. Sell stop 1.36205. Mm, 3364.48. Three three two 7.15. One 144.247. $143.526. All right, so let's go over the instructions again. I'm going to put the instructions on the screen so you guys can see it. Ezra, of course now, not really like I love it. It's just that I just completed the series recently. I just watched the season 3 recently, so that's basically it. All right, so let's go over the rules again. Rules for news trading. Number one, only risk amounts you're comfortable with. All right, so what I mean by risking amount you're comfortable with is don't expect that your stop loss is going to protect you. All right, so if all you can afford to risk is $50, all right, make sure that that $50 is all that you have in your trading account. If what you can risk is $100, make sure that that is the only amount you have in your MetaTrader account. All right, reason being that, number two, slippage exists. And what is slippage? Slippage is usually a situation where market moves so fast, all right, market moves so fast that your orders don't get activated at the point or at the price point where they are supposed to get activated. Do you get it now? The orders don't get activated at the point, at the particular price point where they are supposed to get activated. So because of slippage, I recommend that you only fund in your MetaTrader an amount that you're comfortable risking. All right. Then number two, beware of slippage. Number three, apply trailing stops to your entries for safety. And like I said, for those of you who are trading from your mobile phone, what you can do for me is that as soon as price begins to move, all right, shift your stop loss to your entry. All right, shift your stop loss to your entry, which means in essence, put a break even as soon as your orders are triggered. All right, as soon as price triggers your orders, put a break even on it. So let's go over the figures again. Euro USD, the buy stop is 1.18122. 1.18122, even though I feel like Euro USD is supposed to be a sell. And that's based on the fact that if you're familiar with the way I trade, you would recognize that there's been a sweep break retest pattern. So there's been a sweep break retest pattern, all right, which is also like a double break of structure pattern. And this was the demand zone, the supply zone that brought about all of that reaction. So that's why my pending order is here for the buy stop, meaning that if price is able to break above that supply zone, all right, then we're trying to buy, all right. And for the sell, this is a key level, all right, because if you look at it, this is also a level that has swept liquidity. All right, so it's possible that there is some amount of demand waiting here. So that's why my sell stop is below this region. All right, so EU buy stop 1.18122, sell stop 1.17445. Then for GU, you can see GU, there's a supply zone here, all right, that came, broke structure below this, broke structure below this. So it's possible price gets here and then just wants to start coming through, all right, that's a possible thing. All right, the Maverick, the reason why it is that far away is because that is the nearest decision point. All right, that is the nearest decision point on the 1 hour time frame. That's the nearest decision point on 1 hour time frame. And the same way on GU, that's the nearest decision point on the 1 hour time frame as well. All right, so GU 1.36940. All right, sell stop 1.36205. All right, so let's go to gold. Buy stop on gold 3364.48. Buy stop, not buy limit, buy stop 3364.48. Then sell stop 3327.15. 3327.15. Then on USD JPY, buy stop 144.247. All right, sell stop 143.526. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. All right. Okay, gold. Sell stop on gold, 3327.15. Olushola Folamade, you use a comfortable stop loss, whatever stop loss you're comfortable with. Although, like I always say, if your buy stop is over here, then your stop loss should be at the other end of this box. All right, at the other end of the box. But of course, it's buy stop, sell stop. So I'm not asking you to enter the trade right now. Godfrey Ebuka, if it's a 3K funded account, don't touch this. Leave whatever we are doing here, just watch. All right? No near now. If you may ask, are we buying? For you to be asking at this point, my recommendation is please don't bother joining us. Just sit on the sidelines, watch how this plays out, all right? Then you can decide for yourself whether you want to join us for CPI or not. All right? Dash into the snow, no one else open sledge. The back in the open ocean, everybody sing. All right, the news is almost here. We have about 40-something seconds left. Let's see how this plays. Daniel, you get it. Talk is cheap. I'm so sorry. All right. UJ, TP1 to almost TP3. GU is at TP1 already. EU is at TP1 already. Gold is not moving fast enough. UJ, all TPs cleared. If you took UJ, congratulations. EU is at TP2, GU is at TP2. Gold has not even triggered our sell stop yet. What the heck? Are you making money? Are you guys making money? Like one hype man used to say, He said the wisdom of a broke man is always called noise making by his in-laws. If you are not African, you probably don't get that. eBay Peter, congratulations to you. You are making money. So guys, can I get the likes now? Can you people please just get me to 100 likes on this stream? There are over 100 of us here. And I'm here begging for likes. Can you people please? Can you do please? We're TP2 on GU. We're almost TP2 on EU. Gold is misbehaving terribly. UJ already gave us breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So do you guys see what I told you at the beginning? I told you I expect US dollar to make a kind of a comeback. It might not last so long, but it's definitely something that I anticipated. Majun Jugalbot, how did you make profit from a gold trade that I did not talk? Vibe Tunes make $20. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Sweet boy, sweet boy, sweet boy. All right, GU is almost at TP3. EU is at TP2, approaching TP3. AC Miracles, gold, why? And I expected that gold would be the most volatile of the pair. And I don't know, man. I don't know. Jingle bells, mosquito alley. And for trailing stop, I usually recommend anything below 50 points. Anything below 50 points is fine with me. Oh, Jamalakba, oh, Jamalong, everybody say, oh. My recommendation, if you're going to take gold, be a lot more careful. A lot more careful. That's all I'm going to say. Guys, if you made money, let's hear you in the comment section, bro. Rodney, amazing. Guys, please now, bring in the likes. Bring in the likes. We're still at 73. I need about 37 more likes. 27, but let's do 37. And I don't like to make money. Please now. Guys, just keep the likes coming. Keep the likes coming. Now beg at the beg. So G is almost at TP3. If you made money, I would like to hear about it in the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you made money. Joan Antonio, amazing. That's good to hear. Rodney, that's good to hear. Thank you so much. Gold traders are weeping in the comment section. No way. The mosquito that decides to consume an elephant must have to come with all his family. That's the proverb that God has given everybody that waited for it today. To see Kenneth, you know how we do it, bro. You know it's always like this. Straight on point. That's how we do it. Joan Antonio, I like you too. But I know you don't really like me. It's the money I'm making for you that you like. I know. You like the money more than you like me. Daniel Ekome, if you are waiting for gold, like I told you, be more careful. Oh. Kenton, you made 30 pips and you're done. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Danny Otu, you know me now. I know they wrap white pap inside black lino. Yes, Telly. No, there's a reason why I don't do that. All right. For those who are really, really interested, for those who are really interested or moved or inspired, all right, to do that, I prefer that they ask me for it. All right. I prefer that they ask me for it, and then I can easily provide it and send to them. But if they are not asking, it makes it look like I'm doing degi, you know, good, buy your own, you do better. How did you lose money? Yeah, Vibe Tunes, you know now. The instructions, if you follow it, it's definitely going to make your news trading a lot safer. Okay, Chuku, amazing, amazing, amazing. Gold people, don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. I told you if you're trading gold, now is the time to be a lot more careful. A lot more what? Careful. Daniel Ekome, there is nothing like giving TP now. You close when you are okay or when your trailing stop closes. Elena, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's lovely having you here too. This young man that wants to buy gold now, may God not. No problem. I'm not going to talk. Daniel too, you know these things now. You sabi as it be now. You know as it be now. Gold is now at TP1. We dey here with full ground with the watch arm. Una wey don use your pension or your gratuity take trade news today. Una suppose pay title. Oga no need am, na so vigilante take carry him motor. Rahajo, amazing. You've made more than 1,000. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I hope you're going to come around again for CPI. Gold is now at TP2. Gold is now at what? TP2. Let's go. AC Miracles, you must have been using a very low trailing stop because on gold, I recommend 50 points. I recommend 50 points on gold, and that's like 5 points on a normal commodity. Maxwell, lovely having you here. I'm glad you made some money. Joanne, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you use the trailing stop like I advised, then your trade should have been closed on gold already. But of course, in profit now, you guys know it should have been taken out in profit. And like I always advise you people, chin chin, one bucket of chin chin is better than half bread. But half bread, as you see and so, is better than none. So if you're on this call right now, you were able to make some money, all right? Please be satisfied. Don't rush, don't jump. Remember tomorrow is what's it called now? Bank holiday. All right, there's bank holidays tomorrow in the US. So guys, remember, tomorrow is bank holidays in the US, all right? And you sincerely don't want to get stuck in a terrible trade into that, into that bank holiday. All right, beautiful. Daniel, you smashed big. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Joan Antonio, if you can, I'm open to accepting. If you can, I'm willing to receive. Who am I? What am I? What is my family? What is my father's house? Like David said in the day that, the day that Saul gave him that amazing gift. Eunice, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's about 3 more minutes before I close today's stream session. Yeah, John, of course, AUD USD is most likely going to have sold. It most likely would have sold, but some people don't trade it, so we just picked the 4 most popular commodities that people trade. All right, and just threw it out here. 3 more minutes before I round up the stream, and I want to believe that you guys have made some money. Maxwell, the truth is, the US session already started. The New York session already started because the NFP is usually released towards the beginning of the New York session. Do you get it now? Well, Joan, if you can replicate it, I'll be happy for you. Although there's some other contingencies that I consider in my analysis. The Maverick, amazing. You used your break at work to join the stream. I'm glad you made profit, man. I'm glad you made profit, man. Chop knuckle. Take it. Chop knuckle. Tonga Peter, you miss me. Oh, I know it's the profits I used to make that you miss now. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. It will be our secret. Kenton, you're welcome. Although I have a problem with this club that you are using their logo. I have a problem with that club, that football club. All right, gold is almost at TP3. I think once gold just does that, I'm going to close the stream for today. Don't forget, guys, every Monday on the Telegram channel, we get to have live sessions like this. But our session on Monday is majorly for trainings. All right, so on the Monday sessions, we teach. You guys can ask for any commodity, and then I'm going to do the analysis live on the Monday session. All right, so please do well. The link to the Telegram channel is in the captions. All right, do well to join the Telegram channel and become a part of our amazing, amazing community of profitable traders. Lucky Eli, if you are not using a trailing stop, I advise that you close. If you don't know what the TP is and you are looking at my screen, go and close. It's as simple as that. All right, so guys, it's a 1:45 p.m. here in West Africa, Nigeria. All right, and it's been an amazing 45 minutes with you guys. Monday is usually 2 p.m. on Monday. All right, just join the Telegram channel. You're going to get all of the details. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has joined me on the call today. I want to say thank you for being a part of this amazing, amazing community and this beautiful session that we usually have together. All right, I want to tell you that Monday is going to be another amazing time. Do join in. All right, and Joanne, the link is in the caption. All right, just click on it. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Have a fantastic rest of the trading week. God bless you. Happy new month. See you again for CPI sometime maybe next week. All right. Bye, guys.